Good morning students, how are you all? Today we are going to start solution of chapter number 10, Reaching the Age of Adolescence. Question number 1, choose the correct option. How many pairs of chromosomes are there in somatic cells of human? 22, 44, 23 or 46? There are 23 chromosomes. Which group of age is covered by adolescence? 4 to 8 years, 11 to 18 years, 9 to 15 years, 21 to 28 years. So it is 11 to 18 years. What is an Adam's apple actually in boy? Larynx, pharynx, thyroid gland or trachea? It is larynx. Hyperactivity of which gland causes acne and pimples on the face during puberty? Pituitary gland, sweat glands, oil glands, both B and C. It is both B and C. Question number 5. Under the effect of which hormones does mammary gland develop? Testosterone, estrogen, thyroxine, adrenaline. So it is estrogen. Mammary glands develop, that hormone is called as estrogen. Hormone of which gland controls the production of sex hormones? Pituitary, thyroid gland, adrenal gland or pancreas? They are pituitary gland. Which hormones control the metamorphosis in egg? Adrenaline, estrogen, growth hormone or thyroxine? It is thyroxine. Which is male sex hormone? Testosterone, insulin, estrogen or progesterone? It is testosterone. Which disease is caused by infection of HIV virus? AIDS, SARS, goiter or diabetes? It is AIDS. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. The most conspicuous change during dash is the sudden increase in dash. The most conspicuous change during dash is the sudden increase in height. It is puberty. In boys, the muscles of the boy grow then. In the girls, more prominently. यानी जो बॉयज़ की मसल्स हैं वो गर्ल्स के कंपैरिजन में ज़्यादा ग्रो करते हैं. द चेंजेस अकरिंग एट एडोलसेंस आर कंट्रोल्ड बाय डैश. इट इज कंट्रोल्ड बाय हॉर्मोन्स. डैश डेवलप्स इनसाइड द डेवलप्ड ब्रेस्ट ऑफ द वुमेन? मेमरी ग्लैंड्स. सो मेमरी ग्लैंड्स आर डेवलप्ड इनटू द ब्रेस्ट ऑफ अ वुमन. इन वुमन मेनोपोज में अकर एट डैश ईयर्स ऑफ एज. मेनोपोज कौन सी ईयर ऑफ एज में आता है? 45 to 50. डैश पेयर ऑफ सेक्स क्रोमोसोम्स अकर इन ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. वन पेयर ऑफ सेक्स क्रोमोसोम्स अकर इन अ ह्यूमन बीइंग. द डैश डिजीज इज रिलीज्ड टू द थायराइड ग्लैंड. दैट इज रिलेटेड टू थायराइड ग्लैंड. तो उससे कौन सी डिजीज होती है हमें? गॉइटर. Dash gland secretes hormone to maintain the correct salt balance in the blood. That is adrenal gland. Iron rich food is essential for the production of blood. State true or false. Puberty begins when the adolescence reaches reproduction. It is false. प्यूबर्टी पहले शुरू होती है और उसके बाद एडोलसेंस रिप्रोडक्शन के लिए प्रिपेयर होते हैं. द ग्रोथ ऑफ मुस्टैच एंड बेड इन बॉयज इज अ साइन ऑफ प्यूबर्टी. इट इज ट्रू. ग्रोथ इज अ नेचुरल प्रोसेस विच begins right from birth. That is true. Acne and pimple are seen on the face during puberty because of the increased activity of pituitary and adrenal gland. It is false. वो sweat और oil glands की वजह से हमें acne और pimples होते हैं. Hormones releasing from endocrine glands are chemical substance. It is true. adrenal gland is connected to the brain, it is false. Individual's health means the physical and mental well-being, it is true. Milk is a balanced food in itself, it is true. So with this, children, we complete our session. In next session we will continue with answer in one sentence and answer in 2 to 3 sentences. Thank you and have a nice day, children.